My name is Sanaa Shameem. I am a Year 12 student at Suva Muslim College. I am originally from Lautoka, but I live in Suva. I take pure science, which is physics, chemistry, and biology. I found out about TechGirls through a Instagram advertisement, and my sister had encouraged me to apply, and so I did. I applied because I am passionate about pursuing a career in STEM, specifically at the astronomical side of science. And through TechGirls, I believe that I will be able to pursue such a career. I felt like the happiest person in the world when I found out I was selected. I am looking forward to exploring new cultures in the United States of America, meeting new people, trying different foods, and overall just experiencing a different side of life. My message to other young girls would be to take that chance, make the most of everything, and just go for whatever is on your mind.